Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the auger blade changeout for the Honda HS520. It may be the hardest change. I'm uncertain if I'm going to be taking out the whole system or just simply trying to go inside like so to do the job. These are the center pieces on top. You get two. You get two lefts augers and two right augers. Do apologize if I picked up the right and the lefts, but I will read you the part numbers. 72427 V10020 is the rubber right auger. Part number 72428 V1020 is the left auger. And the numbers are larger for the left, smaller for the right. Which is the left? This side. Which is the right? This side. Do these have a center, left, right? No. So, here we go, showing how simple it is to change them out. I'm using 2 bricks. And the reason why I'm using the brick, I hope this is enough of an angle so you can see. I am going to do my best to get behind this one here with the socket, lefty loosey, righty tighty. These are special types of bolts. They have a name. JST, not JST, J something, argument's sake. They run about $10 for a new kit. I could slide them out. I get myself a container of lube, but when I do use Loctite, it may not work. So I want to take this, put it to the side. I want to get the next one. Do I need to use a screwdriver? Just to hold on to it. I can loosen it up without it. Be careful of the material, the metal. It can be sharp. So you don't want to cut yourself over here. Take your time. Don't rush for anybody. One is off. The hardest one right now will be this one. That is where you're going to go get yourself another tool. Where my tools went, right here in front of me. An open end wrench or a closed end. Get yourself the screwdriver and you should be able to work it off. You don't need to remove the whole thing. You don't want to start to drop your tools, but you do want to take your time and work on it. I do apologize when I need to put on some better glasses so I can see. To me, this is the hardest one because I'm basically working against things. So there we go. Just about off. please remember which way they came off. As I hold it the way it came off, I'm going to match up a new one. I'm going to show you the new and the old. How do you know the new and the old are the correct design? Well, you can see the way it's shaped. This is the outer side, and there's the right. There's no letter here saying this is the right to the outer. But you can see that the old one is still good. It's got some wear. I am going to save it. I should put a piece of paper saying this is the right. Now, it goes on the inside. I take the bolt, just like I'd taken it off. I start to tighten it up. Get the other one on. Doesn't matter if it's the in or the out. I don't make anything tight until everything is on. This should take you no more than 10 minutes per side. Now, this one's a little tighter. You can see that the rubber is a little stiff to go on. And the question you have to ask yourself, should I change out this before I put this on? I can change it out when I do the other side. I'll do this next. There I go. So I'm all changed. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Very simple to do. Put it on a pair of bricks up in the air, easy for you to work. I hope this video was helpful. I did not show this with verbal oral saying, or this verbal oral saying, because if my Rode Wireless Go went, at least I show you how to do this and get these done. This is not hard to do. In this video here, you see me changing it out, and the video on this side, you hear me changing it out. Save the old parts. You never know if this breaks. At least you got this one. You have spare parts. Hope that video was helpful. Look in the manual. You may find some helpful information on there. Have a great day. Thank you very much for viewing. Clean up and enjoy.